Hello guys, my name is Deepinder Singh and I'm from Western Community College, and I want to take a moment to share my experience at WCC. Well, there are so many reasons that why I took ECE, but the main reason is there is a great future for male staff in this field, and also in Canada there is great demand of males, and in ECE there is a great opportunity to get good money, and also I had a chance to share my thoughts and knowledge with the young children. So my experience in this field so far is really good. I have learned so many things in the class, and during my first practicum I had a great opportunity to work with the young children and witness their development and growth, and also I have a great chance to work with collaboratively with the other educators and parents. If I get a chance to open a daycare, then I will definitely go for it. So if you're considering a ECE course at WCC college, then let you know that the environment over here is very friendly and they provide a lot of knowledge, and the staff is really good and cooperative. They give their 100% to make student successful in their life. I clearly remember that I was a little worried because I'm the only male in my class, and I don't know how the other classmates reacted me, and also I'm an international student, but in spite of that they treat really good, and our class instructor Miss Mylan appreciate me to do this course, and they also welcome me very warmly.